students, this is the chapter of class 7 what I am going to introduce. The chapter name is Nutrition in Plants. In this chapter, first of all, I'll make you understand what you are going to study. Nutrition means portion. In Hindi, what it is called? Portion. The word when nutrition it comes, suddenly what comes in our mind? Food. What comes in our mind? Food. So how can we define food? Food is the most important basic need of all the living beings for getting energy. So हम लोग food को कह सकते हैं कि food and nutrients are same. Why? Because this food, what are these nutrients? Nutrients are the components of food. Nutrients are the components of food, various components of food, which are responsible for the growth and development of our body. Not our body, all living organisms. What are these nutrients? They are protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamins and minerals. So these we get from nutrients. And when we take these nutrients, we get nutrition. What do we get? Nutrition. So now we can define nutrition as the process of utilizing nutrients for energy and for growth and development is called nutrition. What it is called? Nutrition. So this nutrition we understood what is the food, and now we are knowing what are the nutrients. Okay, now my question is there, have you ever noticed that green plants, have you ever seen that green plants, they go to the market, they buy vegetables and come and cook at home and they eat? आपने कभी ऐसा देखा है? या आपने कभी ऐसा किया है कि आपने नाश्ता बनाया, जैसे अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स को आप देते हैं, आपने जा करके प्लांट को दिया हो? They grow itself. So how do they grow? So on the basis of feeding habit, on the basis of food habit, this nutrition is categorized into two types. First is autotrophic, means self-feeding. Auto means self-feeding, and the second is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic and heterotrophic. In autotrophic, what happened? Green plants. Never forget to write green plants. These green plants obtain their food from its surrounding by collecting some simple inorganic substances like CO2 and water. And in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, they prepare their food. And what is their food? Glucose. What is their food? Glucose. So what they are called? These green plants are called autotrophs. What they are called? They are called autotrophs. And the whole world is dependent upon green plants for their food. Either human beings, animals, carnivores, herbivores or omnivores. Directly or indirectly, we are dependent upon plants' food. If we take non-veg, those animals which are being eaten, they are dependent upon plants. So we are indirectly dependent upon plants if we are non-vegetarian. So plants are called producers. What they are called? Producers. Now come to the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. All those animals or non-green plants who cannot prepare their own food, they are dependent upon others, they are called heterotrophs. And what kind of mode of nutrition? That is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. And they are called heterotrophs. What they are called? Heterotrophs. And they are also known as consumers. Plants are called producers, and non-green plants and animals, human beings, they are called consumers. So this was about this chapter. Now in my next video, I'll be explaining autotrophic mode of nutrition, how it is done by the plants, and then heterotrophic mode of nutrition by the plants. One by one, I'll be uploading these videos. Some videos are already in my channel. You can go through and you can get all the answers of this chapter. Thank you all of you. Have a good day.